Gusto pa kaya ako. Going, mama. Ito ba? Tulog ba bas naman? Sudla dati. Sunat mo.
Mata na rin, katapa.
Wala lagi. It's me, Quinla Moreno. Ayan, dito ako now kasi magbibigay din ako ng birthday wish para sa pinakamamahal kong mama. Ayan. Thank you so much. Una sa lahat kasi dahil sa'yo, nandito ako ngayon sa mundong ito. And I love you so much. You know how much I care. You know how much I love you. Both of you. Ni Papa. And then, I'm so thankful kasi kung hindi kayo naging parents ko, siguro saan ako ngayon. Diba? But, so much for that. This is your birthday. I want you to be happy. Even though it's just as simple as that. Na kaya kong may bigay as of now. But I'm so happy kasi I know you're happy. And I know how much you appreciated what I'm sharing. Ayan. And I know you're happy. Ayan. Celebrating your 53rd birthday. All I wish is I hope na andyan pa din tayong lahat, nagkakaisa sa buong pamilya natin, and then looking forward sa mga iba pang mga member ng family, at sana more healthy years to come kayong dalawa ni Papa, and I wish is always happy, a peaceful life, and continuing serving God most of all, and then more healthy years na makasama ka namin, and long life para, of course, andyan pa din kayo para sa amin, para subaybayan nyo kami at mai-guide nyo kami sa tamang lindas. Ayan. Yun lang ang masasabi ko, and I am happy birthday, happy 53rd birthday once again. I love you, Ma. I love you so much, and walang sawang pasasalamat sa iyo, ninyo ni Papa, because you're always there for me. I know how much you love me, the both of you. I know how much you care for me. I love you so much, both. Love you. Stay beautiful. Bye. I love you, Ma. I love you, Pa. Regards to everyone. Mwah, mwah. Peace. God bless. Bye.